Morning all, here is the cold start video for my 2007 Saab 9.3 Aero Combi Wagon V6 Turbo. We have a warning light for the right front, left front position. Everything else is cool except for the typical in-op Saab fuel gauge. It's embedded in the fuel tank, difficult to replace. Just fill it up and get your distance to empty. That is accurate. Get about 350 to 400 miles on a tank.
Consistently delivered.
Radio works, AC, groovy cup holder, and 118,886 miles. Superb running, great driving. Good luck with the bidding. Thanks.